Hello and welcome to Accommodations Hope Street Apartments in Liverpool. This is our reception area where you can get in touch with any member of our team. I'm now going to take you through to the common room. This is our common room at Hope Street Apartments. There's lots of different areas, so we have a studying area, we have your big games, so we have the ping pong table, we have pool, we have the foosball, and then over here we have various board games for our students and a book corner as well for them. We also carry out a lot of social events in this area, such as our welcome party and Halloween party. This is the gym at Hope Street Apartments. It's available to all of our residents 24 hours a day, and it's got a mixture of cardio equipment and weights. Our cinema room is the perfect place to enjoy a movie or practice a presentation with your friends. It's open 24 hours a day for all our students to enjoy. Welcome to our sun terrace at Hope Street Apartments. It's available to all of our residents from 10 AM till 10 PM. This is one of our premier studios at Hope Street Apartment. They come with a 3/4 size bed, ample storage and desk space. They have their own private kitchen and private bathroom. This is one of our ensuite rooms here at Hope Street Apartments. It comes with a 3/4 size bed, study area and its own private bathroom. This is our communal kitchen in our 7-bedroom apartment. It's a great place for cooking meals and socialising with your new flatmates. Thank you for joining us today at Hope Street Apartments. We look forward to seeing you soon.